So what should people be charging outside London? What should people be charging then?
I think you could easily be going £100 an hour for a first appointment. I'm all for keep incrementally putting it up.
Right.
And then you don't have to have, back to back 15 patients a day to make a reasonable living. It's crazy. The amount of skill you have and the knowledge and the ability to spot red flags, the capability of referring people on to get the extra special help that they need.
Yes.
The fact you can report back to GPs and so on and so forth, and send them off to a specific consultant. It's incredible what you can do.